is gunshot firing everywhere in the Imo State House of Assembly right now over the suspension of 5 honorable members by the Speaker of the House. There are sporadic gunshots right now at the Imo State House of Assembly, and people are scampering for their lives.
With this, you will know I didn't send myself here. God sent me. And what God has done, you cannot undo. Today is the end of your reign.
Colleagues are scampering for their own lives. They have left the complex right now. Sporadic gunshots everywhere. See the House of Assembly full of talks, full of touts. The Imo State House of Assembly, the night house led by Paul Emeziem.
He has been bundled out by talks.
He has been bundled out by talks.
He arranged for this.
He arranged for this particular sitting, bundled out by talks.